The LaserRange-Master i3 from LaserLiner. Measure distances of up to 30 meters with our handy LaserRange-Master i3. Other options include measuring areas or volumes, making it ideal for calculating material quantities. The high-contrast VTN display is perfectly easy to read. The min-max function allows you to determine distances without a contact point. For example, this helps when determining where to place furniture. The measuring planes can also be switched over with our i3. LaserRange-Master i3.